Good evening, guys. Am I audible? My screen is visible, right? Okay, good. Okay. Right, fine. We'll start with the class. Yesterday we were understanding about bidirectional mapping, right? One to one, you people understood bidirection mapping. Yes, bidirection mapping. One to one, you understood. Yes, I had given assignments also. I hope you people have tried the assignment and you will be pretty sure with how it is working. And how to overcome stack overflow problem also you people tried, right? Yes. Now, yeah, it's because of toString and we need to remove the reference variable in any one of the class. Fine, good. Okay. So today we will try to understand about one to many and many to one bidirection mapping. Everyone, please do concentrate, okay? You should understand how exactly it is working, then you will feel easy. So we are going to cover both one to many and many to one bidirection mapping. So we will see how to do that. Okay, I'll take the same example for one to many. We have used one example, right? Mobile and SIM. So I'll take the same example. Everyone listen carefully. I'm not going to repeat again. I told now only, and those who are joining late, that is your mistake. So I'll not repeat the concept again. So see, I have class mobile in which I have ID. Let's take I have name and I have cost. Okay. So we all know that we should make use of annotation, that is @entity, and along with that we should use @id. Why we should use @entity and @id, you people already know. Yes. So this is the class which I have written. So for this class, can you people tell how the table will get created? Can you people tell how table will get created? Okay, table will get created with 3 columns. Fine. So table will get created and for this we know we'll have 3 columns. We will have ID, we will have name, we will have cost. Okay, good. So this is simple. We already know, we have some idea. Okay, fine. Now I'll create another class called sim in which I will have sim ID. I'll have sim provider and number. Okay, so here sim. And here what I should write? I should write mobile. Like this I should write, right? Like this only I should write. Now, in mobile class, listen my question carefully and answer. In mobile class, which type of mapping I should use? One to many or many to one? In mobile class, which mapping I should write? At the rate one to many or at the rate many to one? At the rate one to many. Okay. How you people are telling it is one to many? Because one mobile and many sim. One mobile in mobile table or in sim you will have mobile ID. Guys, can you people just confirm once, is my voice clear? You're able to hear my voice? It is audible, right? Yes, it is clear. So those who are having problem, please check your internet connection. Don't disturb the class in between. Okay? Everyone are able to hear. Repeatedly, 2, 3 students are telling voice break, voice break. So you rejoin the class and then you can attend the class. Okay? Fine, guys. So till here you people understood, right? Till here you people understood. When I use mapping in two different classes, how the tables are getting created. So totally here we are getting three tables. Totally here we are getting three tables, correct? Okay. Fine. So now what we should do here is Do we have any redundancy here? Any memory? We are using memory again and again repeatedly. Any data redundancy do we have? Any data redundancy do we have? Where we have the problem here is, here extra table is getting created and we have a foreign key column here in sim table. Here we have a foreign key column in a sim table and one extra table is also getting created. Yes, so here also we have mobile ID and sim ID and here one extra foreign key column is created. So can I tell IT people or your industry people will not allow this design because there is again guys, I want to remove this third table. I want to remove this third table. Yeah, I'll repeat. I want to remove this third table. Okay. So I can tell my mobile class ID to refer to the other table's foreign key, right? I'm repeating once again. I want to remove this third table because I want to make use of memory efficiently. I want to make use of memory efficiently. So I will remove this third table and I can tell my mobile ID to refer to the other table's foreign key column. What we did yesterday. The same thing we are going to do today also. Yes. Yes, if I want to ask one table to refer to the other table, which one I should use? If I want to make one table to refer to the other table, should I use @join or mapped by? I should use mapped by. Yes, and yes, we should use mapped by. Okay, correct. So now, in which table I should retain the column? In which table I should retain the foreign key column? In which table I should retain the foreign key column? In sim. So here what I should use, mapped by or @join column? Here I should use mapped by or @join column if I want to retain. many and many to one, and we use @join column, how many tables will get created? How many tables will get created? Two tables will get created. Your third table will get eliminated along with @join column. Along with @join column, if you use, third table will get eliminated and totally two tables will get created. Totally two tables will get created. Yes. And then someone asked, ma'am, what about SIM ID? That is what I am telling, no? So your mobile ID will refer to your SIM class table. Your mobile ID or your mobile table will refer to your SIM table. So from that, it will fetch the SIM ID. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. Hibernate will do it automatically. Hibernate will do it automatically. Now, ma'am, this third table is getting created, it is getting eliminated. Can we see this visually? Can we see this changes visually happening in our program? You can ask that question. I will tell yes. You can see this first third table will get created after using join column and mapped by third table will get eliminated. I will show this practically to you people so that it will fix in your mind. It will fix in your mind. Okay. Guys, now I'll just launch my Eclipse and I'll execute this program so you can see how the third table is getting created. Okay. Is my screen visible to everyone? I have displayed Eclipse now. Okay, good. Don't do anything, guys. Please don't do anything. I will give you time. I'll give you some time. Okay, so look into the screen and understand this concept properly. In Hibernate, mapping is important. In Hibernate, only mapping concept is important. Okay, I will create one Maven project. Form.hibernates one to many to one bidirection. Finish. So Maven project is getting created. Now what I will do, I'll go to my workbench and I'll create a schema. I'll create a schema. Here I'll mention one to many to one bidirection. Okay, apply and finish. So here it is created, my schema is created. Okay, now I'll go to my Eclipse. So it would have been successfully executed my, yes. So I'll add the dependency into pom.xml. I'll just copy these dependencies. Paste, save. So after this, you can see Maven dependency is added here. And along with this, I need to add this meta inf persistence.file XML file. So I'll just copy, paste. Here in persistence.xml, what I should change? I should change the schema name. So I'll just change the schema name here. Yes, successfully I have changed everything properly. Okay, good. Now I'll create a class. Here I'll give package name com.hibernates, and here I'll give mobile. So this is my mobile class. I'll write @entity. Okay, good. So here I'll write private int id. Private string name, private double cost @id, and here I should have list of sim. So I'll just create a sim class. Sim class is created. Okay. So now here I'll just mention it as private, and here what I should give, @1 to many, @1 to many mapping I should give. And here I should give mapped by is equal to, here I should mention the reference variable mobile. Okay, so I'll go to my source. I will generate getters and setters. I will generate toString. Okay, done. Mobile is done. Similarly, I'll go to sim class @entity @id. So for the first time, we are not going to use mapped by. Okay, we'll not use mapped by an @join column, so that we can get to know what is the changes happening. Int id, private string provider, and here @many to 1, private mobile, and here I will generate toString, getters and setters, and I'll generate toString. You people were asking, no, why we should use @join and mapped by. Now I will show you. Did we use @join column and mapped by in any of our class? Check mobile class. Did I use mapped by? Check sim class. Did I use @join column? I did not use. Okay, clear. So now I'll create a class. Insert mobile sim. So here I'll have main method. So I should make use of this. Now we should know how table is getting created, correct? So I'm not going to create any object now. I'll just execute this program and I'll show you how table is getting created. Okay. See how many tables are getting created. Everyone look into the screen and see how many tables are getting created. Okay. Tables are created. I'll go to my workbench. Is my workbench visible to you people? Can you see how many tables are created? Can you see and tell me how many tables are created? 3 tables are created, right? So one is mobile table, ID, cost, name. In sim table, you can see ID, provider, and I have mobile ID, foreign key column here, and mobile sim table. This third table we should eliminate. Yes or no? Third table we should eliminate, right? This is not required for us. So what I will do, I will drop these 3 table now. Drop. I dropped the 3 tables. Now what I will do, I'll go back to my Eclipse. Now what I will do, I will make use of @join column. I'll make use of @join column, and here I'll write mapped by reference variable is mobile. Mapped by mobile. Now did I use mapped by and @join column in both the class? Yes, I have used. Now let me execute. You can see how Hibernate is working. You can see now how Hibernate is working. Now, okay, tables are created. Good. Now I'll go back to my Eclipse. I have dropped all the tables. Yes, you can see my workbench. I will just refresh. I'll just refresh. How many table is there here? How many table is there? 2 table. Is that one table eliminated? I have mobile, ID, cost, name. I have sim, in which I have mobile ID as reference variable. Now you clearly understood how @join column and mapped by is working. Now you clearly understood how @join column and mapped by is working. Yes. When we did not use also, it was working fine, but extra table is getting created, which we should avoid. So now it is avoided completely. Correct. Now now what I will do is, I need to create the object. So let me create the object. I'll create mobile. M is equal to new mobile. Here I'll write M dot set ID. M dot set name. I'll set the mobile name. M dot set cost. I'll set the cost. Now I'll create sim. Sim1 is equal to new sim. Sim2 is equal to new sim. So here sim1 dot set ID 101. Sim1 dot set provider Airtel. Sim1 dot set mobile. I'll set mobile M object here. Sim2 dot set ID 102. Sim2 dot set provider Geo. Sim2 dot set mobile. I'll set M. Why I am setting mobile here, you know, because in sim table we have mobile ID column. I should set the value for that. So I am setting here mobile. Okay. Now what I should do, entity transaction dot begin, entity manager dot persist mobile, entity manager dot persist sim1, entity manager dot persist sim2, entity transaction dot commit, entity transaction dot commit. Yes, now if I execute, will it get inserted properly? Yes, both sim and mobile got inserted. Both sim and mobile got inserted. Yes, I'll show the table. You can see here, I have mobile ID, cost, name. In sim, I have sim ID, mobile ID, sim ID provider and mobile ID. Yes. Now, can you people insert and check? Can you people insert and check? I'll just share this code in your group. I have shared it in group, guys. I sent. Just execute and check. Omkar, it is added. I'll give you 10 minutes of time and then I'll just explain you one more example. Okay, just execute it. Okay, I hope everyone completed. Very good question one of your friend has asked. Why we are not setting list of sims? Set sim. Why are we not setting list of sim? Why I am not doing that is, here I have mobile ID. Here I have mobile ID foreign key reference variable. So my main preference is in sim class. In sim class, I should set mobile. In sim class, I should set mobile. Yes, mobile ID when I am setting here, this is not required. Here I should give preference to this foreign key column. So sim dot set mobile I am doing, but not sim. List of sim. Okay, those who asked the question, I hope this will be clear. This answer will be clear for you people. Yes. Guys, please do respond. Rahul, I still did not complete. Did I tell class is completed or I will not do that? If you remove list from mobile class, how you will get the data from both the classes, Vishal Kumar? Why we are using it in both the class? Why we are using it in both the class? Because we are going to fetch from any one of the class. It is bi-direction. So you should use it in both the classes only. Main purpose of using is to fetch the data from any class, like in which way user requires. Now I want to fetch the details from sim. You might request to fetch the detail from mobile. So both will work in this scenario, right? Both will work in this scenario, right? Yes or no? Everyone, please do respond. Let's continue now. Okay, let's continue. I'll go back to my Eclipse. Now I need to get the data. So I'll create a class, get mobile sim. Main method. So here I should use entity manager factory, entity manager. So here what I will do now is mobile m is equal to entity manager dot find mobile dot class, and I'll give mobile ID. Mobile ID is 1. Yes, mobile ID is 1. And here I will print M. Now when I execute, can you people tell what will be the problem when I execute this? Will we get output or will we have any problem? Yes, we will get Stack Overflow problem. I'm getting here. Yes, you can see here I'm getting Stack Overflow problem. Because of toString method. So what I will do is I'll go to sim class. I'll go to sim class and I need to remove what? I need to remove mobile reference variable. I need to remove mobile here. And again I'll execute. remove, yes, remove mobile reference variable and then execute. Now I should get mobile data. Along with it, I should get SIM data also. Yes, mobile name, ID, cost, SIM. I have SIM 1 that is Airtel and I have SIM 2 that is Geo. I'm getting, yes. Can you people try this? Similarly, you can do it using SIM also. Get SIM dot class and give SIM reference variable. I'll just copy this and send it in your group. You can just execute it. Check what values you're trying to insert. You might insert some values or data which is not required. Deepak, check your code properly. Where did you remove the reference variable? In mobile or SIM? You should remove in SIM if you are fetching the data from mobile. If you remove it in mobile, then you will not get. Yes, Rahul, this problem we will overcome in Spring, okay? If not, you should provide implementation for toString method. No, Pranali, based on the user's requirement, we can change in any one of the class, we can do it. So if I want to get from sim, I will give sim find by sim dot class sim id 101, and here where I should just remove sim in mobile class. And then if I execute, you can see I'm getting sim ID and mobile detail. If you want to pass sim ID, all the sim IDs, if you want to pass, you should make use of find method repeatedly. I will write another method, find method, and I'll pass another sim ID, that is 102. You can do that. Did you people complete? Did you people complete it, everyone? Can we complete many to many today only? Many to many also, let's complete it. So once if that is completed, then you don't have any other important concepts, but few theory concepts you have that we can complete it on Monday. Okay, many to many is simple, guys. You people only will answer. I'll just go with an example. You will understand. Okay. Amit, in real scenario, we will not be doing that. Will not be doing that. So all these we will overcome in spring concepts. Okay. So now we are understanding the concepts. We are just understanding the concepts. Okay. So we'll go with example. I'll take a class teacher, teacher ID, teacher name, teacher age, and I'll take another class subject. So one teacher can handle many subjects and one subject can be handled by many teachers. Can I go with this example or you want student subject only? Teacher subject is fine or you want student and subject? It is fine, no? Same scenario. Okay. So now subject ID, subject name, duration to complete the subject. Okay. So here I should mention @entity, @ID, @entity, @ID. Okay guys, so now tell me, table will get created. Okay, table will get created. How many columns we will have? Yes, 3 columns we will have. correct? So this table is for teacher. So we will have teacher ID, name, age, and here we will have ID, name, duration. Correct? Table will get created. Now since I wanted to make use of bidirection mapping, since I should make use of bidirection mapping, here I will write @ many to many. Here I'll write list of subject. And here I'll write @ many to many list of teacher. Now, is this bidirection? In both the class I have @ many to many mapping? Yes. When I have like this, can you people tell how many extra tables will get created? We know that whenever I make use of @ many to many mapping, extra table will get created. Now in two classes also I have used @ many to many mapping. So two extra tables will get created. One table is for teacher. And another table for subject. So here the table name will be teacher's subject and the other side it will be subject teacher. So here you will have teacher ID and here you will have subject ID. Here you will have subject ID and you will have teacher ID. So totally 4 tables are getting created. Correct? Yes. Now can you tell here we are using memory efficiently? Are we using memory efficiently here? Data is repeated, right? Data redundancy is happening. So what we will do is in Hibernate, we will try to eliminate any one of the extra table which is created. So what I will do, I will try to eliminate this extra table which is created. So totally 4 tables were created. We will eliminate one and we will make use of 3 tables. Yes, we will make use of 3 tables. Correct. Now what I should do here is I should make use of join column. You can use join column either in subject or in teacher class. In any one of the class you can use @ join column. How to write that I will show you in Eclipse. Okay, I'll show you in Eclipse how to write @ join column, and the other class you will be writing mapped by reference. Okay, so this is the scenario with respect to many to many. Now we will go back to Eclipse. And I will show you those 4 tables getting created. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just create one Maven project. Create simple Maven project. com.hibernate many to many bidirection. So when it is creating Maven project, I'll go to my workbench I'll create schema many to many bidirection. Apply, apply, finish. Yes, here I have many to many bidirection. Okay. So now I will go back to my Eclipse. Many to many bidirection, where it is created here. I'll add the dependency. I have added the dependency. I'll just copy the meta inf folder and I'll paste it here. So once after doing that, I will change the schema name. I'll show the schema name. So here I have changed, save it. Okay. Who wanted Ashwini? Check. You wanted to see the previous table's output, right? We have used mobile and we have used SIM. Clear now? Shall I continue? If you are getting three tables, make use of @join column and mapped by. That is what I explained in the entire previous session. Drop the table, drop all the three tables and execute once again, you will get. Okay guys, now we'll come back to many. I'll create a class, teacher. I'll give package name com.hibernates. So here I should write @entity. I'll show you how 4 tables are getting created, okay? So here I'll be writing private int id, private string name, private int page, many to many, private list of subjects, subject. So I'll create this class, create class called subject. Okay, so here I'll write @id and here I'll make use of getters and setters, toString method. Okay, so here I should write @entity, private int id, private string subject name, private int duration, many to many, list of teacher, @id, and here generate getters and setters, generate toString. Now in this example, did we use @join column and mapped by? Did we use @join column and mapped by? We did not use, right? Okay. Now I'll create a class, insert data. So here I'll write main method. So I'll make use of entity manager factory, entity manager, entity transaction. Now I'll just execute this program. Everyone look into the screen. Everyone now look into the screen. Since I have not used @join column and mapped by, 4 tables will get created. 4 tables will get created. I'll go to my workbench. I will refresh. You can see here, 1 table is subject, 1 table is teacher, and teacher, subject, teacher. I'm getting 4 tables here. Everyone can see it in my screen. Yes. So what we will do is, we have subject teacher and we have teacher subject. These 2 tables are same, with same columns and with same column ID. We can combine these 2 extra tables which is created. 2 extra tables are created. I'll just combine these 2 extra tables. How to combine these 2 extra tables, I will show you now. Okay, before that I'll just drop the table. I'll drop all the 4 tables. Okay. Now everyone should listen carefully. I am going to combine those 2 tables which is created extra and make it one. So what I will do, I will go to the subject here. Okay. So here I need to join those 2 tables, combine those 2 tables. So I will tell join table. I want to join those 2 tables, so I will make use of @join table, and those 2 columns which are present in those tables should be combined. So what I will tell, join columns, join columns @join column, comma, I'll make use of inner join column. Sorry, it is not inner join, it is inverse join columns. And here I'll tell @join column. Here I'll tell @join column. Okay. So what I am doing here is, 2 extra tables are created. 2 extra tables are created, right? So these 2 extra tables, what I am trying to do here is, these 2 table I am trying to combine. So I should make use of @join table. Because I am joining these 2 tables. In these 2 tables, I have the column. One column is student subject ID, another column is teacher ID. So please join these 2 columns. So how you will tell this to Hibernate? By using @join column. And what is that inverse join column is? Inverse means your opposite class primary key column. Your opposite class primary key column and your present class primary primary key column should be joined together in a table. That is what this statement means. Only for many to many mapping you should use this. Okay, only for many to many you should use this. And in teacher class, I'll just write mapped by. I'll just write mapped by. What is the reference variable I have used? I have used teacher. So I'll write teacher. Yes. So you understood this, right? You understood why we are writing @join table, because two table we are trying to join. And one column is from your present class primary key. The other column is from your opposite class primary key column. So inverse join columns @join column. Yes. @join table is used to join the two tables, two extra tables which is created, and you have two columns in that. Which are those columns? One is from your subject class primary key column, and inverse join column is your opposite class primary key column. Clear, guys? Everyone please do respond. Clear with this? Yes, so only for many to many mapping you should use such a big annotation. Everything is clear. Everything is same and it will be clear. Okay, now what I should do? I should create an object and I should insert. I should create an object and I should insert. So similar way how you people did, the same way you can do. Okay, so now I'll just create an object. Teacher T is equal to new teacher. T dot set ID. T dot set teacher name. T dot set age. Yes, teacher object I have created. Now I'll create another teacher object. Teacher T1 is equal to new teacher. T1 dot set ID 12. T1 dot set teacher name Ramesh. T1 dot set age 45. I'll add this into the list. List of teachers is equal to arrays dot has list T comma T1. Now I'll create subject S is equal to new subject. S dot set ID 101. S dot set subject name Java. S dot set duration 90 days. S dot set teachers. I'll pass the list of teachers. I'll pass list of teachers. And now I'll write entity transaction dot begin, entity manager dot persist, teacher, entity manager dot persist, teacher 1, entity manager dot persist, subject, entity transaction dot commit. Everything is correct. We have added properly. Yes. So let me execute and check if it is working fine or not. So table will get created because we have dropped the table. Okay, it has inserted. Insert into teacher subject. Yes, it is working fine. Now I'll go to my workbench. You can see here. Now 3 tables are created. Now only 3 tables are created. So one is subject, 101, duration is 90, subject name is Java, teacher detail, I have two teacher detail. One is Dimple, one is Ramesh, and they are mapped to the subjects. Subject ID 101, teacher ID 1, subject ID 101, teacher ID 12. Clear? Everyone clear how to insert? You understood? Yes or no? Now can you people execute? I'll share the code. Just execute. I have shared the code. I'll give you 10 minutes of time. Complete your execution. No, we are not using list of subjects. Instead, we are using list of teachers. Anyways is fine. Anyways is fine because here join table is given in subject, right? So I should use list of teachers. I'm using list of teachers here. Okay. You can write it in any one of the class and make use of list of teachers or list of subjects. It depends on where we are writing. Okay, that is the reason here we have list of teachers. Is that clear? Yeah, sure. Why Rohit got exhausted or what? You're asking this is the last topic for day. I know it is a bit heavy, but that's fine. Just execute, we'll wind up with this. And we have small concepts called cascading and Hibernate life cycle. I'll do that on Monday. Okay, just simple concepts, theory concepts. Cascading, auto generation of ID, and Hibernate life cycle. I'll do this on Monday. Okay, so just revise everything and come back on Monday. Yeah, enough for the day. Okay, Vijay. Just execute this, guys. So Akash, you completed with execution and get data also? Good. Yes, Prakash, we are able to access the data from both the class. That is the reason. And Syed also, you have done find subject dot class. Good. Good, guys. This shows that you understood the concepts. Okay, Mahesh. I understand. Okay. Execution done good. Did everyone complete? We'll fetch the data. We'll fetch the data and we'll wind up the class. Hmm? I hope you are too exhausted for the day. You people have completed that also. But I'll just show you. I'll just show you. If you have completed, then very good. Okay. So get data. Main method. So now what I should do? Subject. Subject is equal to entity manager dot find subject dot class. And what is the subject ID? 101. 101. And I'll try to print subject. Since I'll get Stack Overflow, I'll go to the teacher and I should remove what? I should remove subject. Yes. Since I'll get Stack Overflow, I'm just removing it because you people already know how to do and how it works. Now I should get subject details and teacher details. Yes, you can see subject 101, subject name is Java, duration, teacher I'm having. You can see teacher Dimple and teacher Ramesh. Yes, I hope you people have completed this also. I hope you people have completed this also. So if you have completed, guys, you can leave. You can leave for the day. Revise everything, come back on Monday. Revise everything, come back on Monday. Okay, we'll complete few theory concepts, and from Tuesday we will start servlets. I don't want anyone to miss the class. From Tuesday we will start servlets, and I don't want anyone to miss the class. Okay. Thank you guys. Take care. Have a happy weekend. Notes will be sent to you people. Don't worry. Fine. Happy weekend. Enjoy and as well as study properly. Okay, you can leave the class now. You can leave the class, guys. And I have shared the code in group. You can refer. Thank you. Good night. Thank you. Yeah, guys, notes I will share. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, guys, you can leave the meet. If you have completed, you can leave the class.